In this video, we're going to talk about two conjunctions. They are although and but. Although and but are used to connect contrasting ideas. What are contrasting ideas? Let's look at an example. Although I am having a long holiday, I am not happy. I am having a long holiday is idea 1. I am not happy is idea 2. So we have two ideas here. When you are having a long holiday, you should feel happy, right? You like holidays. But this girl is not happy. So we can use although to connect these two contrasting ideas. Although I'm having a long holiday, I'm not happy. Let's look at another example. I am having a long holiday, but I have a lot of homework to do. I am having a long holiday is the first idea. The second idea is I have a lot of homework to do. So when you are having a long holiday, you should be happy. You like it. You love long holidays. But when you have homework to do, you feel sad, right? So these two are contrasting ideas. There are some differences in how to use although and but. Let's have a look. First, let's talk about although. Although shows a situation that has a surprising result. What does it mean? Let's take out the previous example we have talked about. Although I am having a long holiday, I am not happy. When you are having a long holiday, as I said, you should feel happy, right? But you're not happy. So I am not happy is the surprising result of the situation I am having a long holiday. Although connects two sentences. So in this sentence, I am having a long holiday is one sentence. I'm not happy is another sentence. So although connects these two sentences. So there are two forms of how to write although sentences. The first one is like this. I'm not happy although I'm having a long holiday. The main idea of this sentence is you are not happy. This is the main thing you want to talk about. And then you put although. You give us your situation. The situation is you are having a long holiday. So you put the contrast idea at the end, after although. Well, there is another form of how to write although sentences. So we can put although at the front, and then the contrast idea. And at the end, you can put your main idea, the main thing you want to talk about. It becomes, although I'm having a long holiday, I'm not happy. So these are the features of writing although sentences. It shows a situation that has a surprising result. That's the opposite of how you should feel or how it should happen. Although connects two sentences. And there are two forms of how to write although sentences. You can write the main thing first, the main idea, and put although in the middle, and write your contrast idea. Another form is to put although at the front. Of course, you need to capitalize A. After although, you need to put the contrast idea, and you put your main thing, your main idea at the end. But in this form, you must write a comma after your contrast idea. Okay, let's come to the conjunction but. But shows an unexpected result. Let's have a second look at the example we have talked about. I'm having a long holiday, but I have a lot of homework to do. I have a lot of homework to do is the unexpected result. You didn't expect to have that much homework to do, right? So this is your unexpected result. You didn't think you will have it, but you have it. So you have to do your homework. Second, but connects ideas which are the same grammatical type. So in this sentence, I am having a long holiday is one idea. I have a lot of homework to do is another idea. So what do we mean by the same grammatical type? Let's have a look at the sentence structures here. I is the subject. I in another sentence is also a subject. So we have a subject at the front of each sentences. After the subject, we have a verb. In another sentence, it's the same. We also have a verb after the subject. So you can see, before but and after but, we have the same structure. We have subject, verb in front of but. After but, you also have subject and verb. So this is the same grammatical type you are having. Let's look at another example. Look at this man. The man is rich, so he has a lot of money. But he is lonely. He is just on his own. He has nobody to have fun with. So rich is an idea. Lonely is another idea. Rich is an adjective. Lonely is also an adjective. So in this sentence, we can see before but, we have an adjective. After but, we also have another adjective. So this is the same grammatical type you are having in this sentence. The man is rich, but lonely. Another example. Look at this lady. She's trying to catch the bus. Her name is Janice. Janice ran very fast, but she could not catch the bus. Running very fast is an idea. The fact that she could not catch the bus is another idea. In this phrase, you can see ran is a verb. After but, you have another verb, could not catch. So in this sentence, before but, you have a verb. After it, you also have a verb. So this is the same grammatical type you are having in this sentence. The next point is how to write but sentences. What are the forms? There is only one form you can write. So we have just talked about 3 example sentences. Let's have a look at them again. I'm having a long holiday, but I have a lot of homework to do. The man is rich, but lonely. Janice ran very fast, but could not catch the bus. In these 3 sentences, you can see the main ideas come first. So you put the main thing at the beginning of the sentence, before but. After it, you can see the contrast ideas. So the unexpected result of your main idea. Between the main idea and the contrast idea, you put but. You put but in the middle of the sentence. You never put but at the beginning of a sentence. It's wrong. You have to put it in the middle. So you use but to show an unexpected result. You use it to connect ideas which are the same grammatical type. For example, subject, verb, adjective, or verb, etc. You only have one form of writing but sentences. You can write the main idea first, and then put but in the middle. After it, you can write about a contrast idea. This is the summary of the two conjunctions. They connect contrasting ideas. I'm not going to read them again. You can pause here and have a second look at it. If you still don't understand, you're not sure about this page, you can have a look at the Chinese version of it. You can also pause here and think about it. I've also made a summary of what we have talked about. This is a very clear table or image showing how to use although and but in a sentence. That's the end of this video. Now the best thing to do after watching this video is to write some sentences using these two conjunctions, although and but, so that you will be more familiar with them. That's it for now. Bye bye.